So here's Noted app. It's quite cool. If you like notes, this like yellow things or blue things you put somewhere in your office, and this is just a part of your productivity management process. Then give a try to this app. This is basically like a digital notes app. Post-it brings the simplicity of Post-it notes to your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Whether you use Post-it notes for teamwork and collaboration or for reminders, Post-it app helps you keep the momentum going. If you work from home or as a student in remote learning, use the Post-it app to share your ideas with coworkers, structure assignments and share them with your teacher, or create colorful calendars and share them with your friends. Simply capture analog notes with your camera or create digital notes right on your device. Arrange, refine, and organize idea anywhere you see fit. So yeah, pretty cool. So if you just open it up, then you can see some quick start, where I guess you can just move it around, and then yeah, you can just zoom in, I guess. So you can capture with your camera, or you can just tap plus to create new notes. Then you can organize notes in the boards like this. Then you can edit your notes, and then you can just share them. So for example, if I want to create a new note, I can just do this, and then that's basically a new note. I can change the colors here, and then yeah, I can just tap add, and then this is the it was just added to this board. But basically, yeah, here you can just find it like that. Yeah, whatever, and then you just tap add. You can allow adding that, and then you just organize it, and then add some additional text to it. You can favorite it, and then add it to the widget. Then you can also add some some camera options, iCloud. So yeah, and then change default font. Not that many fonts, but and then I guess if we just try to add the widget, let's just. Oh no, it's called Post-it. So I don't see the home screen widget available for some reason. It's quite weird. So if I just tap plus and I want to search for Post-it, it's unfortunately, yeah, it's not yet available. So yeah, it's quite weird, but they don't have a widget. Maybe they have a lock screen widget. So let's just check that out. So if I just have where is that actually? So it's not, no, it's in a wallpaper. So here, if I try to add a lock screen widget, then I will need to add notes. So yeah, but that's what it is. There are no widgets at the moment, but maybe they will add them in future. I don't know. Like for some reason it's just not here. Anyhow, that's what it is. That's the app. Give it a try.